Congratulations to Ipob as Nnamdi Kanu's case is finally closed down as Supreme Court awaits British court's decision on Nnamdi Kanu's release. I think which other decision are they waiting for? Which decision of the British court are they still waiting for? I believe that the British court have given their verdict now. Of course, yes, they are giving their verdict. They have concluded that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be allowed to go. Am I right? Yes. Which other decision are they waiting for? Okay. Looking at this very content, I see that the Supreme Court on their own have decided to close down completely the trial of the Ipob leader, which was filed long time ago by the federal government. Okay, so probably the decision they are actually waiting for, the British court, is the conclusion of the closure. Whatever be the case, I think the Supreme Court have actually done the needful, because by saying if the case is still open, that will give Buhari and Malami the chance to always want to come in to seek appeal and file in fresh charges. That doesn't matter. You understand? So I want to say it is a very good move and a very brilliant move. You understand? And that's just all right. Let's quickly check the content, my dear listeners. This is evening news. Barrister Aloy Ejimako, the special counsel to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has warned media houses in the country to desist from reporting that his client jumped bail granted to him by the Federal High Court. In regard to this, the Supreme Court on its own has finally decided to close down the case. They claim that the case being reopened or still opened gives the federal government the chances to seek appeal and to refile fresh charges. Ejimako, in a legal notice floated via his Twitter page, stated that he will have no option but to sue any media house which continues to report that his client jumped bail after the High Court. He has commended the decision of the Supreme Court, saying that is the right thing to do at this moment. He maintained that any such publication henceforth will be false, libelous, defamatory, and injurious to Kanu's legal interest. He wrote, Ejimako is right. Ejimako is right. You see these medias. You see, this is why I said that sometimes what the medias actually carry out, some of those informations are not carried. I'm not saying this because we are broadcasting on a blogging channel. Do you understand? Sometimes information gotten from a blogging channel are more reliable because the bloggers get it direct, the way it was, as raw as it is. You understand now? They get it direct from the source. Do you understand? The bloggers are very close to investigative journalists. I would like to make use of Kemi Oloyo, for instance. Let's forget that she is one of the false news promoter. Do you understand? Okay, yeah, she's very good at that too. Sometimes a lawyer still publish and broadcast reality. She was the first to broadcast the death of the late Chief of Staff Abakiari. even before anybody starts hearing it. Do you understand? So I will say that in this regard, what Ejimako have said is truth. So all these media houses that are very good at, giving false news concerning Nnamdi Kanu, I would say that they should desist as Ejimako has requested, because it's injurious to the release of the Ipob leader. This is one thing that is giving the federal government the courage to carry on, that okay, they still have chances of keeping Nnamdi Kanu in detention. You understand? And that is just it. All right, my people, we have heard this and we have seen the facts and the reality that is attached to this. Don't forget your comments, they are still very much of importance. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.